हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम यू ऑल ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ रेजिडेंस। आज हम 27 जनवरी 2024 की सेकंड शिफ्ट की मेंस केमिस्ट्री पेपर देख रहे हैं। मेमोरी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस, किस तरह के क्वेश्चंस आया है और किस लेवल की क्वेश्चंस है और कौन से टॉपिक से क्वेश्चंस आया है। लेट अस सी दैट। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, among the following which is temperature dependent? The options are molarity, molality, mole fraction, percentage, weight by weight. In the given options, molarity is equal to number of moles of solute upon volume in liter, and molality is number of moles of solute upon weight of solvent in kilogram, and mole fraction of solute, if you consider, it is number of moles of solute upon total number of moles of solute plus solvent, and percentage weight by weight. Percentage weight by weight is weight of solute upon weight of solution into 100. सो इन सभी में ये टेम्परेचर डिपेंडेंट क्वांटिटी कौन होगा? जिसमें वॉल्यूम टर्म है वो टेम्परेचर डिपेंडेंट होगा, बाकी सब टेम्परेचर इंडिपेंडेंट होगा। अपन को ये पूछा है विच इज टेम्परेचर डिपेंडेंट, सो मोलैरिटी इज टेम्परेचर डिपेंडेंट because there is volume term, volume directly proportional to temperature. So answer is 1. Next, volume of solution of 3 molar NaOH in which 84 gram of NaOH is present. So इसकी concentration find करना है। molarity formula अभी हम discuss कर रहे हैं, moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter, and molarity of NaOH is moles of solute can be calculated as weight by gram molecular weight. So weight is given 84 gram, gram molecular weight of NaOH 40 upon volume in liter. We have to find this, and molarity is given 3 molar. So volume, if you calculate, you will get 0.7 liter or 0.7 decimeter cube. It can be written as 7 into 10 power minus 1 liter, and answer is 7 because here it is given in 10 power minus 1 decimeter cube. So it is the integer type question. Now answer is 7. Next, which of the following cannot act as oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agent means the substance which oxidizes the other substance and reduces itself is said to be the oxidizing agent. So ये reduce करने के लिए इसकी oxidation number कम होनी चाहिए। reducing oxidizing agent मतलब इसके oxidation number क्या होगा? कम हो जाएगी। और इसमें given options में आप देख सकते हो MnO4 माइनस, इसमें Mn का oxidation number +7 and SO4 2 माइनस, इसका ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर +6, N3 माइनस, नाइट्रोजन का ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर -3 एंड BrO3 माइनस, इसका ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर +7। इसमें ये चारों में नाइट्रोजन इज इन इट्स लोएस्ट ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट, बाकी सब हायर ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट में। सो ये ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट को रिड्यूस कर सकता है और ये तीनों रिड्यूस कर सकता है एक्सेप्ट N-3। नेक्स्ट, PbS plus O3 gives O2. In this, X moles of PbS is giving Y moles of O2. Here it is given that 1 mole of PbS determine in the given reaction. That is X plus Y value we have to determine. X value it is already given, it is 1 mole. Then we have to calculate the Y moles, it can be done by balancing the reaction, that is PbS plus 4O3 gives PbSO4 plus 4O2, and here the number of moles of ozone is 4 and number of moles of O2 is 4 and PbS moles are 1. Now, what are the number of moles of X? It is 4 and number of moles of O2, that is Y. So, X plus Y value is 8. See this once again, it is X moles is for O3 and Y moles is for O2. With 1 mole of PbS, determine in the given reaction X plus Y mole value, that can be equal to 8 moles. X plus Y value is 8. Next question, the first member of 16th group oxygen can exhibit -2 oxidation state only. This is the statement 1, and statement 2, the stability of +4 oxidation state decreases down the group and +6 oxidation state increases down the group. In this, the statement 1 is also incorrect and statement 2 is also incorrect. Why statement 1 is incorrect? Because oxygen can show -1, +1 and +2 oxidation state apart from -1, +1 and +2 oxidation state apart from -2 oxidation state. So, it is also exhibiting -1, +1 and +2. It not only exhibits -2, it can also exhibit -1, +1 and +2. ठीक है ना? तो इसलिए स्टेटमेंट 1 यहाँ अपन को दिया है, it is only exhibiting -2. No, it can also exhibit -1, +1 and +2 oxidation states. And statement 2, the stability of +4 oxidation state decreases down the group and +6 oxidation state stability increases down the group. ये भी incorrect है क्योंकि due to inert pair effect, stability of lower oxidation state increases down the group and higher oxidation stability decrease होगा. तो +4 oxidation state stability increase होगा, +6 oxidation stability decrease होगा. Next, if R is the Rydberg's constant and longest wavelength of the Paschen series is alpha by 7R, then alpha is, it is related to atomic structure. Here first line of Paschen series will have maximum wavelength and that can be calculated by using Rydberg's equation 1 by lambda equal to R into Z square into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. The first line is obtained when it transits from 4th shell to 3rd shell, when the electron transits from 4th shell to 3rd shell. So, यहाँ आप lambda value calculate करेंगे by putting the data, Z value for hydrogen atom 1 and N1 value 3, N2 value 4, तब हमको lambda value आएगा 144 by 7R. अब यहाँ alpha कितना होगा? 144. So, answer 144. Next, it is from chemical kinetics. The time taken for completion of 99% of the reaction in the first order reaction is dash times to that of time taken in 50% completion of the reaction. इसका मतलब इसमें T 99.9% और T 50% के बीच में T half और T 99.9% के बीच में रिलेशन पूछ रहे हैं. तो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन के लिए टाइम T 99% will be equal to 2.303 by K rate constant log 100 by 100 minus 99.9 and T 50% equal to 2.303 by K log 100 by 100 minus 50. ये दोनों इक्वेशन से हम ये रिलेशन लिख सकते हैं. T 99.9 by T 50% will be equal to 3 by 0.301. It will be 10. So, T 99.9% will be equal to 10 times to that of T 50%. So, answer is 10. How many times to that half life time? T 99.9% will be 10 times to the T half. Next one, which of the following is incorrectly matched? यहाँ ये डी ब्लॉक में कैटालिसिस के रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है. इसमें वॉकर्स प्रोसेस इट इज गिवन platinum chloride as the catalyst. यहाँ catalyst और reagent used. और पॉलीथीन फॉर्मेशन में ट्राइइथाइल एल्यूमिनियम एंड टाइटेनियम टेट्राक्लोराइड, इसको कहते हैं जिगलर्स नाटा कैटलिस्ट. एंड हेबर्स प्रोसेस आयरन, फोटोग्राफी में सिल्वर ब्रोमाइड. इसमें वॉकर्स प्रोसेस मीन्स यहाँ ये इथिलीन को ऑक्सीडेशन करके एसिटाल्डिहाइड कन्वर्शन, इसको कहते हैं वॉकर्स प्रोसेस. इसमें पैलेडियम क्लोराइड इज यूज्ड एज द कैटलिस्ट, लेकिन हमको दिया है प्लैटिनम क्लोराइड एज द कैटलिस्ट. सो दिस इज द इनकरेक्ट मैच. एंड इन द पॉलीथीन फॉर्मेशन Ziegler-Natta catalyst is used, and in the Haber's process finely divided iron can be used. And photography, that is photographic film is coated with silver bromide, so photography is related to silver bromide. So all these three are correct except the first one. So the incorrect match is first one. Next, the total number of non-polar molecules, it is from chemical bonding. अब इसमें आपको जो भी molecules given है, इसमें non-polar molecules को find out करना है. Non-polar molecules means जिसकी net dipole moment 0 है, उसको हम non-polar molecule कहेंगे. So इसमें जिसकी symmetrical structure है, उसका net dipole moment 0 होगा. एसिमेट्रिकल स्ट्रक्चर के लिए नॉन जीरो होगा. इफ यू टेक H2O, H2O में देर विल बी 2 लोन पेयर एंड 2 बॉन्ड पेयर. सो इट्स नेट डाइपोल मोमेंट cannot be 0 because the dipole moments can be directed towards this side. So you can see the net dipole moment cannot be 0. So it is a polar molecule. And CO2, for CO2 net dipole moment is 0 because its bond moments are opposite to one another, and sum of these bond moments will be equal to 0. Next, SO2, for SO2 also net bond moment, net dipole moment is not equal to 0. And for methane, it is equal to 0 because it is in tetrahedral shape, and the net dipole moment is not equal to 0, is equal to 0 for this. And similarly for BF3, net dipole moment is 0, for hydrogen it is 0. So among the given molecules which is having total net dipole moment 0, that is CO2, methane, BF3 and H2. So 4 molecules have 0 dipole moment and they are said to be the non-polar molecules. Next question, for hydrogen electrode at pH equal to 3, the reduction potential is dash into 10 power minus 2 volts. This is from electrochemistry, and here if you take the hydrogen electrode, oxidation 2H plus 2 electron gives H2. This is the nearest equation, ERP equal to E naught RP minus 0.059 by N log 1 by H plus square, H plus concentration square. Here E naught RP for hydrogen electrode 0 because it is the standard hydrogen electrode, its reduction potential is taken as 0, minus 0.059 by 2 log 1 upon its concentration is 10 power minus 3 because pH is given as 3 and H plus concentration can be equal to 10 power minus 3. And by calculating you will get minus 0.1773 or it can be written as 17.73 into 10 power minus 2, and if you round off it will be equal to 18 into 10 power minus 2 volts. So, answer can be 18. अब ये क्वेश्चन कोऑर्डिनेशन और केमिकल बॉन्डिंग दोनों से, which of the following species has D2sp3 hybridization, that is SF6 BRF5 PTCl4 minus 2 CONH3 6 times 3 plus. इसमें SF6 sp3 D2 hybridization, BRF5 में भी sp3 D2 hybridization, PTCl4 minus 2 में DsP2 hybridization होगा, and this is the complex compound. इसमें NH3 strong field ligand है और कोबाल्ट इन +3 स्टेट, इसमें D2sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होगा बिकॉज NH3 स्ट्रॉन्ग फील्ड लिगैंड है, CO+3 3D6 कॉन्फ़िगरेशन में ये D2sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होगा. नेक्स्ट, द वैल्यू ऑफ मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट ऑफ PTNH3 twice CH3NH2Cl Cl is dash Bm. ये प्लैटिनम कॉम्प्लेक्स है, platinum complex with coordination number 4. So, with coordination number 4 platinum complexes में ये DsP2 hybridization होगा, that is ये square planar complex बनेगा. In the square planar complex platinum is in +2 state and here it is 5D8 configuration, and for 4D and 5D series metals, whatever may be the ligand present, that may be weak or strong field ligand, all the complexes are forming square planar due to their more Z effective value. That is why here the pairing of electrons takes place, there will be no unpaired electrons available. So, if there is no unpaired electrons available, the magnetic moment will be 0. Why they are pairing? Because of the more effective nuclear charge, they will pair up and there will be no unpaired electrons. Next question, which of the following set of species have D10 configuration? It is very easy question. You have to check the configurations of the given elements. In all the species, there should be D10 configuration. So, Cu plus, you know, for Cu plus it is argon 3D10 configuration, for Zn2 plus argon 3D10 configuration, for palladium also krypton 4D10 configuration, for Ag plus krypton 4D10 configuration. So, in the given option all these species are having D10 configuration, and in the remaining options if you take copper it may have D10 configuration, but in the remaining there will be no D10 configuration, and Mn no D10, it has D5 configuration, Zn plus 2 D10 configuration, palladium D10 configuration, Ag plus D10 configuration. Like this, here some may have D10 configuration, but the question is all the species should have D10 configuration. So, इसमें सभी में D10 configuration केवल फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में है, तो आंसर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन ही होगा. Next question, this is related to F block. Cerium plus 4 has inert gas configuration. Cerium plus 4 convert to cerium plus 3 because it is a strong oxidizing agent. Yes, both statements are correct, and इसमें cerium plus 4 inert gas configuration है. सीरियम का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन आप चेक कर सकते हो, सीरियम Xe4F1 5D1 6S2. सीरियम प्लस 4 स्टेट में ये सारे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स निकल जाएगा तो जीनॉन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन आएगा. एंड सीरियम कैन एक्ट एज स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट बिकॉज इट्स reduction potential is 1.74, so it is easily converts to +4 to +3 due to more reduction potential. Next question, identify the incorrect statement regarding rusting of iron. The first option is rusting of iron can be prevented by coating of tin even if the layer of tin is peeled off. कोटिंग ऑफ टिन पील ऑफ करने के बाद भी वो रस्टिंग होगा. यस, ये रस्टिंग ऑफ आयरन कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड. प्रिवेंटेड कह रहे हैं, नो इट कैन नॉट प्रिवेंट. इफ यू पील ऑफ द टिन लेयर देन rusting of iron can takes place. So it can be prevented by coating of even if the layer of tin is peeled off. It cannot be correct. Next, rusting of iron can be considered as a electrochemical cell on the surface of iron. Yes, there will be electrochemical cell formation and it is considered as the electrochemical cell reaction. Next, third option, at pH 8 or 9 rusting can takes place. Yes, definitely can takes place. Up to pH 10 it can takes place. Acidic oxides like SO2 and NO2 catalyze the rusting of iron. Yes, definitely can catalyze this rusting of iron. So only the first statement is incorrect and remaining three statements are correct. Next question, how many of the following have noble gas configuration? बस आपको ये कॉन्फ़िगरेशन लिख के चेक करना है गिवन स्पीसीज का. तो स्ट्रैंशियम 2+ is having krypton configuration, cesium plus will have xenon configuration, Pb2+ is having this xenon 4f14 5d10 6s2 configuration, and lanthanum 2+ has xenon 5d1 configuration, and ytterbium 2+ is having xenon 4f14 configuration. Iron 2+ has it is argon 3d6 configuration. In these only xenon configuration is for strontium and cesium. So answer is 2. Next, for an equilibrium reaction delta H naught is given 77.2 kilojoule and delta S naught is given 122.5 joule per Kelvin mole and temperature is 300 Kelvin. Then log K equilibrium is minus dash value पूछा है. So इसमें nearest integer बताना है. तो for equilibrium reaction delta G तो 0 है. Then delta G 0 हो गया तो delta G naught will be minus 2.303 RT log K equilibrium, and delta G naught is delta H naught minus T delta S naught. It is minus 2.303 RT log K equilibrium. Now log K equilibrium equal to delta H naught minus T delta S naught upon minus 2.303 RT, and here it is given in kilojoule and we are converting this delta S naught also into kilojoule. 300 into 122 into 10 power minus 3 upon 2.303, R value 8.314 into 300 upon 1000. So it will be equal to minus 7.07 you are getting, and if you round off this you will get 7. That means answer here what is that? 7. Okay, that's all students. And आज की इस पेपर मॉडरेट लेवल पे हैं और इसमें ज़्यादातर क्वेश्चंस हम ऑब्जर्व करेंगे तो एनसीईआरटी बेस्ड ही है. जो एनसीईआरटी लाइंस पढ़ेंगे तो वो आंसर कर सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स स्पेशली डी ब्लॉक एलिमेंट्स और पी ब्लॉक, इसमें रिएक्शंस जो पढ़ेंगे वही ईजिली आंसर कर सकते हैं. तो मेरे सजेशन है जिसको फिर मंडे एग्ज़ाम है तो एक बार फिर एनसीईआरटी इनऑर्गेनिक पोर्शन एक बार रिवाइज कर लेना और ज़्यादातर क्वेश्चंस आप कर सकते हैं. और फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री में जो भी क्वेश्चंस आए हैं वो इजी लेवल क्वेश्चंस ही है, तो डायरेक्ट फार्मूला बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट.